Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwigs. So I'm taking everything out of the box. I did get some edge tamer, which is basically like a wax stick. I also got a detangling brush, elastic band that we can use to lay the lace down, a pack of wig caps, and of course the wig. I love that their wigs already come pre-customized. We got bleached knots, plucked hairline, elastic band on the inside, and I'm going to show you guys up close of the hairline. Very natural. Now I'm just trying on the wig and I'm already loving how it looks just like this. It looks very natural. And just showing you guys the hairline again. This lace is very thin. It's good that you can see the cap. Of course, we're going to hide that. And then I'm just going to take a wax stick and go over the hairline so that I can hot comb it. Honestly, it's not really needed. This wasn't necessary, but I just like to do it out of habit. So now I'm just going to cut off that lace that is going over my ears. So I just start at the bottom and then cut up going around my ear, and I'm going to do the same to both sides. So it's really important that I have this wig positioned right on my head before I go cutting the lace off. So I decided to lay the wig in sections for some reason. I don't know why I did that. But I cut it down the middle and then I just sprayed one side with the even hairspray and laid that down. So I just sprayed it in sections, which, like I said, I normally never do that, but I guess I was just trying something different. I don't normally cut the lace until I actually cut it off. And then I went ahead and sprayed this side, but I actually ended up cutting this side in half. I just get moods sometimes where I want to switch up my routine, just try different stuff, and there's nothing wrong with that, with experimenting. So yeah, I cut that side in half and then I went ahead and sprayed that section as well. The blow dryer has definitely become my best friend, and it just helps dry down the hairspray. It speeds up the processing time because I just don't really care to let it air dry and tie it down with the elastic band, but of course you can do that. And then once it does dry down, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off, and I cut it off in the sections that I cut, of course. Now I'm just taking some makeup and applying it onto the lace. I don't tint the lace. I just literally use whatever makeup, whichever is in my reach, whether it's foundation, concealer, powder, whatever. I just use that to help color the lace. And then I'm going to use the even melting spray. I use this all the time now. Like, I can't not do my hair without doing it. And I just spray it on like the tip of my finger and apply it that way because it's easier for me to apply it this way. I feel like I don't have much control when I'm just spraying it out the bottle and it just gets everywhere. Of course, I'm going to use the blow dryer again because this is part of the melting process. It helps dry the product down, which further helps to melt the lace. So I'm going to put some product on this hair. I'm just using this mousse. I'm also going to like add some water at the end. But yeah, I'm just going to take this product and begin applying it onto the hair. I'm trying to do it in sections just to make sure that I get it all throughout the hair and we really make these curls pop, because right now it's dry and I want to see what it looks like with some product on it. I want to see these curls a bit more, so that's what I'm going to do and just continue working that all throughout the hair. So here we are after working that mousse into the hair. I also took a spray bottle of water with some leave-in conditioner and also just wet the hair a bit just to help. And we could see the curls on it, and I'm definitely loving the cut on this. Very cute short bob. It's giving mature and grown, and here it is, the final look. I love Myfirstwigs because it does not take long to do a wig install. It pretty much comes ready, already customized. You don't have to do too much work. Just cut the lace and lay it down, and that's it. So if you guys want the same look, of course I will have everything listed down below. Definitely make sure you check that out. Like, comment, and sub if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.